Illum huwa aktar ċar minn qatt qabel illi il-moviment illi nbena minn Joseph Muscat u Keith Schembri m'hawn xejn għajr organizzazzjoni kriminali illi ħatfet lill-istat għall-interessi tagħha. Hekk kiteb fuq il-medja soċjali l-ġurnalist mill-medja indipendenti Chris Peregrine fejn qal illi il-moviment imwiet mill-Labor kien imsejjes fuq l-ingann illi qarraq bil-ħafna biex inneffaħ il-bwiet tal-ftit.
We know that Muscat entrusted Schembri with all important negotiations and deals from when he was opposition leader onwards. The number of big national deals worth hundreds of millions, not billions, where Keith Schembri was involved in the negotiations. There are lots, there's the Electrogas one, there's the Vitas one, there's green currency, the list is infinite.
Wa komplaj għajt li kieku Schembri u Muscat ma twaqfux sforz il-pressjoni li twettet mis-soċjetà ċivili u l-Partit Nazzjonalista, kollox kienet jindika illi fil-mira tagħhom seta' possibilment kien hemm l-Unjoni Ewropea biex jaħtfu illi jistgħu minnha.
It's clear that if Daphne Caruana Galizia had never been killed, Joseph Muscat stood quite a good chance of getting a top EU role, and he would have probably taken Keith Schembri with him, and, who knows what would have happened, if that were to be the case. Knowing now how his right-hand man has operated since even before they went into government.
Dan kollu wara l-aħħar żviluppi li qed jirriżultaw fil-qorti fejn l-ex Chief of Staff ta' Kastilja kien arrestat flimkien ma' 10 persuni oħrajn, inklużi Brian Tonna u Karl Cini ta' Nexia BT, b'akkużi ta' ħasil ta' flus, korruzzjoni u falsifikazzjoni.